Hello, and thank you for joining us today. My name is Chad Jones. I'm Vice President Strategy and Product Management with Dynamic Ops. In today's data center, uptime is more important than ever. Microsoft offers a monitoring product called System Center Operations Manager, which is widely in use today. Dynamic Ops realizes that our system needs to be up 24/7, 365. So we've built an integration with System Center Operations Manager through a management pack to ensure our system can be monitored in exactly the same way any other system across the enterprise is as well. So today we're going to show you that integration. Let's go ahead and get started. So here we are in our Dynamic Ops Cloud Automation system. So you see the interface in front of us, but I'm not really going to need to go into that interface. I'm actually going to go look at the Service Manager. Because Dynamic Ops is built on a SQL Server database with a couple services. Now it's important for those services to be up and running at all times. Here we have our Dynamic Ops Cloud Automation Center, some agents, our Distributed Execution Manager. These are the main services that we need to ensure are up and running. So now if I flip out of here and move over to my Operations Manager console, we've actually built a management pack for Dynamic Ops that integrates with System Center Operations Manager. So now the first thing we're going to see here is the actual monitoring and health state of the systems. So up here you can see we have our Dynamic Ops Distributed Execution Manager, or DEM, and our Manager service. Now right now you can see that they're actually healthy, which they should be. So if we move down into authoring, into our monitors, and we look down for Dynamic Ops, you can see that we have a definition for the Dynamic Ops Distributed Execution Manager as well as the Dynamic Ops Manager service. We look at the entity health, its availability, configuration, performance, and security, how we roll those up. And we actually define all of those as part of that management pack. But beyond that, we may be bringing up more Distributed Execution Managers around the world in different data centers. So we want to be able to make sure that we can automatically bring those into the system as well, so that they're monitored without having to go in and to make sure that they're always in configuration. Part of that is defining the discovery of those objects. So if I move into object discoveries, and I actually put in Dynamic Ops here, you notice that we've set up our DEM and Manager Service and Proxy Agent discoveries. So that means that whenever I add a system into the environment, wherever that System Center Operations Manager sphere of influence is, it will automatically pick up those services and add them into the monitoring scheme. And again, that's the centralized monitoring scheme for the entire set of data centers across the enterprise. That way, you now have a way to look at the cloud systems and ensure they're up 24/7, 365, just like every other system inside of your environment. As we've discussed, uptime is of paramount importance inside of the enterprise. When you add in cloud management, it becomes even more important. Cloud is 24/7, 365. So you need to make sure that it's part of the same monitoring solution that monitors the rest of the enterprise. Dynamic Ops has provided a management pack for System Center Operations Manager that allows just that. My name's Chad Jones. Thanks for joining us today. We'll see you next time.